Hello everyone, in this video I will use Charlotte Tilbury setting spray before makeup and after makeup. Okay, let's watch together. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Mandy. I am not a professional makeup artist. I am a normal user, same as you all. Okay, now my face are clean. Then I just straightly apply eye base on my eye area by Bobbi Brown eye base. I like to use Bobbi Brown eye base in the morning before makeup, but not at night. Then I apply Charlotte Tilbury setting spray on my face, also on my neck for my face preparation before apply makeup. But I not apply any makeup on my face yet. Wait until that spray water on my face are a bit dry. Then I continue with the lip balm as per normal and then makeup base by Dior Forever Skinwear. I choose Dior Forever Skinwear as my makeup base because they have SPF protection in 20 and they have only one shade, universal shade. After this makeup base, then I apply foundation by Dior Forever Foundation in Matte Formula. I choose Dior Forever Foundation in Matte Formula for my foundation step because my face are oily skin type and normally only Matte Formula foundation that can stay last long on my face. I love Dior Forever foundation since the first day that I had tried on my face. This liquid foundation are absorb well on my face and it don't feel like the makeup foundation. It feel like a sun cream foundation, something like that. Okay, after finish this foundation step, then let's continue to powder step by using Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder. I choose the color Translucent. I think this color translucent are fit to all skin tone. This is the first time that I have tried on this loose setting powder from Laura Mercier. I use setting brush from Morphe to apply this loose setting powder on my face. I apply it on the area that notice that it often shine, it often get oily, something like that. I don't notice any fragrance from this setting loose powder comparing to other loose powder that I have used in before. And I also apply this setting loose powder on my neck. Okay, final look. Don't see any shine on my face already. Okay, now let's continue to face contour. Use NARS brush with bronzing powder color in this NARS Cheek palette for my face contour, also for my nose contour. I love this bronzing color in this palette so much because it fit to my medium skin tone. And in this NARS palette, I'm use only this bronzing color. This is how I do face contour and nose contour. I'm just apply to any area that I want to heighten their shape to be smaller. Okay, now continue to cheek area by Charlotte Tilbury in color Pillow Talk. This blusher from Charlotte Tilbury in color Pillow Talk fit me well to my medium skin tone. I noticed that after use Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder, I apply this blusher on my cheek more smoother than before. And blusher itself also blend well on my cheek. Okay, after finish the face area, then continue to do eye makeup by Charlotte Tilbury in color Pillow Talk Dream. I love to do smoky eye. Then I will use all the color in this palette for my smoky eye makeup by using color base from the lightest color in this palette and apply it all over my eyelid. Then contour around my outer corner of my eyelid with the brown color and smoky around outer corner of my eyelid too with the deep brown color in this palette. And lastly of my upper eyelid makeup, use finger to bring the shimmer color and apply it on the middle of the eyelid. And then continue to do eye makeup on my lower eyelid too by using only two color. One is the deepest color and other one is the lightest color. I apply the deepest color on the outer corner of my lower eyelid and I apply the lightest color at the inner corner of my eyelid. Okay, after finish this eye makeup, then I curl my eyelash and apply mascara. Just keep on mascara and continue to eyebrow area by using eyebrow pencil. For my eyebrow routine, firstly, draw my eyebrow with eyebrow pencil, then adjust the shape of my eyebrow by clean eyebrow brush, something like a razor. Okay, now let's continue to highlighter step by using Dior Forever highlighter in color Coral Glow. I use highlighter brush from brand Etude Korean cosmetic brand. Apply it on my nose bridge, brow bone, cheekbone, and on my chin too. Okay, now my makeup almost done. Now I apply lip color on my lip by using Dior Forever Liquid in color 200 Forever Dream. Okay, now I finish my makeup routine by using Charlotte Tilbury setting spray to set up my makeup look. And now I braid my hair and how it look everyone 30 plus like that and braid my hair like that. It bring me the memory of my childhood. Now I just waiting setting spray on my face a bit dry. Then I will wear mask and leave home to office. It takes around 1 to 2 hours from my home to office. And after arrive office, I wear off my mask and let's see how it transfer. I decide to buy this Charlotte Tilbury setting spray because I saw influencer show that it not transfer to our mask. Then buy it and test it by myself. The result is it transfer a bit, but at least it's better than not spraying the setting spray. But one thing that I disappointed is the setting spray make my eyeshadow look patchy. So I decide to use the setting spray before makeup rather than after makeup. Okay, now my video go to the end now. Thanks everyone for watching my video until the end and thanks for subscribe my channel too. Bye bye.